Congratulations, August, Janice, Shannon, and Tanya. This is Painting with Grandma.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Okay, we're going to start right off. I've got this sped up. I'm putting paint on my tile. And then I'll start putting all my paints down. I just like to spread them out randomly like this. And then I'm going to swipe through them and transfer that to an 11 by 14 canvas. I will put all of the colors in the description down below. And at the end of the video, I have a few little clips of Painting with Grandma if you want to stay and watch. They had so much fun, and they had their own little aprons. It was so cute. Adorable. 3 of my 9 grandbabies. Okay, so now here is the trick, in my opinion. Putting paint on the dustpan before you scoop it up and transfer it. It helps to keep the paint from rolling over itself, and it helps to make the transition from the dustpan to the canvas much smoother, in my opinion. That's just my trick, my feeling, and that's the way I like to do it. And I love using the dustpan as a way to transfer the paint. So now I'm just going to add some paint to the corners so that the paints will flow over easily as I spin it out. get it out. Whoops. Look how creative Ariella is. You need some new paint?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's okay, we'll wash you off. Don't worry about it, we'll get you washed off.
Where is that? Huh? Where is that?
What are you looking for?
Looking for. Hmm? How am I going to get?
Wait, I can't even get you in.
Congratulations!
I don't think Ariella will say it at the same time.
Ariella, you want to say it with everybody? Say congratulations!
Congratulations!
Great fun. Thanks for being here. I will see you all in the next one. And thanks for watching.